the ingredients will be?
So the ingredients are 1/2 cup plus 1 tablespoon of cake flour, and then 1 teaspoon of baking powder, 1/4 teaspoon of salt, 1/4 cup plus 1 tablespoon of Dutch cocoa powder, 3 pieces of egg, 1/2 teaspoon of vanilla, 1/2 cup of sugar, 1/8 cup of oil, 1/2 teaspoon of coffee powder, and 1/4 teaspoon of cream of tartar. And the procedure: first, prepare all the ingredients needed. Number 2 is combine cake flour, baking powder, salt, then cocoa powder, sift well.
So next we're going to combine the egg yolk. We're going to put the vanilla, the white sugar, the oil, coffee powder, and then mix well until combined. Then next we're going to sift the dry ingredients into wet ingredients and mix well until incorporated.
The next one is another bowl. Put the egg white and mix until coated. Next is gradually add 1/5 cup of sugar. Okay. Add the syrup into the butter.
Next, stir the butter, place pan with hot pepper, then bake at 250 degrees Celsius for 35 to 45 minutes. Lastly, serve with
What did you do when you divide the ingredients?
teaspoon of baking powder, 1 teaspoon of salt, and 1 cup of chocolate chips. So the procedure, first things first, we're going to preheat the oven up to 200 degrees Celsius, and then we're going to prepare a baking pan with parchment papers, and then we're going to set it aside. Next, we're going to separate bowl. We're going to mix the flour with baking soda, salt, and baking powder. Then until well combined, and then we're going to set it aside, and then we're going to cream the butter with sugars until well combined, and then we're going to beat the eggs with vanilla extract until fluffy. And then after that, we're going to mix all the dry ingredients, including the chocolate chips. Then we're going to roll balls up to 2 to 3 tablespoons of dough. We're going to prepare the cookie sheets. Then after that, we're going to bake it inside our preheated oven for approximately 8 to 10 minutes. And that's all. Thank you. Once again, good afternoon. So this afternoon, I'm going to prepare or bake a quick banana bread. And the ingredients are, we need 3 cups of bananas, then 1/2 cup of brown sugar, and 1/2 cup of white sugar, and then 1 cup of melted butter, unsalted butter melted, and then 4 large eggs, 3 teaspoons of vanilla extract, 1 cup of milk, and 2 teaspoons of salt, 2 teaspoons of baking soda, and for optional, we use the chocolate chips, 1 and 1/2 cups. And then the procedure, first we're going to mash the bananas, and then we're going to put the brown sugar and the white sugar in it, and then we're going to put the 4 large eggs, mix the all-purpose flour with our liquid ingredients, which is the milk and the butter, and then we're going to put the baking soda, salt, and after that, we're going to fold the chocolate chips into our mixture. Then later, we're going to put it in our loaf pan and put it in our preheated oven for about 45 to 50 minutes. And to test if our banana bread is already cooked, is we're going to put the stick on it and make sure that the stick, when we're going to remove it, is already clean. And that's all. Thank you.